What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a client tutorial on my friend Nina. Please make sure to check down below for all the product details and just keep on watching. I'm starting off with Nina's clean face. Oh my gosh, her skin is so nice. It's so pretty. I'm going in with MAC Fix Plus and I'm spraying this all over her face to prep her skin. And I'm also going to be using Iconic London's makeup brushes. And I'm going in with Tatcha Primer. This is one of their new primers. I forgot what it's called, so check down below. I'm applying this all over her face as a base. Going in with Benefit Brow Zings, and I'm using the color on the right to fill in her brows. So I'm just filling in any of the empty and sparse areas. Then I'm going in with MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and I'm using this to define under her brows. And I'm also going to be applying it onto her lids as a base for the eyeshadow. Next, I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat palette, and I'm using the color on the left as a transition color, and just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions, then taking a more mid-tone brown and applying this into her crease. Then I'm taking the color that's all on the left and using that to highlight under her brows. And then taking a darker brown and applying this into the crease to deepen it up. And then taking the darkest brown to really deepen it up. And I'm going into the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow and applying this all over her lid. Ooh, so pretty. I love that eyeshadow. And I'm going in with this Morphe Jet eyeliner and I'm using this to line her eyes and create a wing. Then I applied some House of Lashes Noir Fairy Lashes. Moving on to the skin, I'm going into the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation, and I'm applying this all over her face. And then I also applied some Farsali Unicorn Essence drops all over the face, and then I went in and blended everything out. Going on to concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in two colors, and I'm going to be mixing them together. I'm applying it under the eyes, on the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow, and chin. For contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toast, and I'm applying this around her forehead, into their jawline, and also in the hollows of her cheekbones and nose. Then I'm going in and just blending everything out with the Iconic brush and also blending out the contour, making sure everything is seamless. Now I'm using the Iconic highlighter. I think this is the original one, and I'm using this to highlight her face and blending out with my beauty blender. Then going into the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm using this to bake under her eyes and also on her forehead and nose. Next, I'm going with this MAC powder, and I'm using this to set the rest of the face and dust away the powder. And going in with blush, I'm using this Marc Jacobs blush that is peachy. Then I'm going into this really pretty Becca Ocean Jewels highlighter palette, and I'm using this to highlight her face. Then I'm going into the Shiny Mascara. JK, it's the Marc Jacobs mascara, but it has my name on it. And I'm using this to apply mascara onto the top and bottom lashes. For lips, I'm going into the Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick from The Balm Cosmetics and applying this all over her lips. And for gloss, I'm using this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Cushion Gloss. And for brows, I'm going to be setting it with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Lastly, I'm spraying her face with the Derma Blend Long Lasting Setting Spray to set her makeup. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also make sure to check down below for all the products I use and also my social media accounts. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!